And in 5.1 first sum, I forgot to tell one rule. That's nothing but so in second sum I am having a point minus 10 comma minus 4 minus 8 comma minus 1 minus 4. Okay, for your convenience we are going to draw a diagram. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Just for your example you are writing. Okay, you will draw neatly. Little bit is enough. Minus 4 5. Now this one minus 2 and minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, what they mentioned, minus 10 comma minus 4. So that's a A. Okay, B is minus 8 1 and C is C. Are you clear? So this is a plotted points. How can I draw? So if you are taking A to B to C means it's not eligible. So if you draw from base should be A to C and C to B and A. How can you draw? So this is why x1 comma y1. So next one is a x2 comma y2. Third one is a x3 comma y3. If it is possible way. So if we start from A, it is correct means okay. So in this diagram you should observe. So start from A. So A to B, B to C. So it should be in a proper clockwise, right? So that's why I am using this. But in this place what I am having, so A to C, C to B. Okay. So this is x1, y1. So A is minus 10 comma minus 4 and C is minus 8 comma minus 1 and B is minus 1. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So minus 10, minus 4. Before that you should write your formula 1 by 2. What's the area formula? A. So you should memorize. Easy way to memorize I am telling. x1, x2, x3. Okay. So then minus. So what I am having? x1, x2, x3. So what is the next number for 1? So y2, y3. So 3 means my major part is a 3. So then y1. Are you clear? So y2, y3, y1. x1, x2, x3, y2, y3, y1. That's it. Okay. Then you should write your formula. That's a major concept. That's why I am writing. This is for 1 mark. Okay. So in this place how can I write? x2 plus x3 plus x1. So ulta. Okay. So x1. So then so you having a 2 means y1, y2, y3. That's it. Okay, this is a simple form of writing a formula. Okay, no worry about this. And if you know the formula, you can directly write also, no problem. So otherwise you are having this method is a proper way to handwriting means okay, no issue for me. So you will write this format. So you can make sure for your signs. That's why we are using this method. Okay. And this minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. Oh sorry. So don't make like this mistake. Okay. This and this. Then this. So plus 3 and this to this. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So what's the value? 32. Minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12. Minus into minus plus. 5 8s are 40. Minus into minus plus. 1 10s are 10. So 1 by 2. So 15. 50 plus this is 82. 82 plus this 85 minus 40 plus 10 50. 50 plus this 62. Okay. 1 by 2 into. So 5 minus 2 3. So 23. So if you're dividing this value, what will be? So 1. So 1.5. So 11.5 square units. Are you clear? Your area should be positive. That's why they are giving like this. So if they directly are asking means you should observe whether it is a clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay. Pick up this point. So which rotation is proper for you? That will be okay for you to write this. Okay. Then we will move to the second sum. Determine whether the set of the points are collinear or not. I already told about this. So if they are asking area of this, they given the 3 points means, so area of ABC equal to 0. If it is equal to 0 means the point is a collinear. Okay, this is a major part. This only I am telling. 3 distinct points will be collinear if and only if the area of that triangle equal to 0. Okay, area of the triangle. If you are going to the same find out the area of the triangle, if the value equal to 0 means the answer is correct. Yeah, this is a major point. Okay, so that's why we are trying this. We are going to try that. So what we are going to do? So the first question, in a second first question, let the points A, B, C as it is, A equal to 1 by 2, and this. In this place no need to draw the diagram because I am going to just form of the going to find out the area. So you should write your formula. So then I am writing this. So in this place no don't need to worry about that concept for your clockwise or anti-clockwise. No worry about this. So this is my x1, y1. So minus 1 by 2, 3, and minus 5, 6, and minus 8 plus 8. Again minus 1 by 2 and 3. That's it. Okay, so 1 by 2. Oh, this and this. So minus 6 by 2. Then this minus into plus, minus 5 8s are 40. And this minus 8 3s are 24. Then subtraction of this and this. 5 into 3, 5 3s are minus, because it is a minus. This is minus 8 6 are 48 minus 8 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2, cancelling this, so minus 3, addition of this 64 minus this and this, 5 plus 8 13, balance 1 plus 4 5 6. So both the terms minus me, I can add. So minus, what is this, cancelling this, minus 4. So finally what I am getting in this place, so adding this, because minus 3 plus this 67 minus of 63, and this is minus 67. So 1 by 2 minus 67, minus into minus plus 67. So 1 by 2 into 0 equal to 0. That implies triangle area of ABC equal to 0. Therefore, it is a collinear. That's only they are asking whether it's a collinear or not. Okay, the second sum as usual you will do. Okay, that's it. And what they given in this place, the vertices of the given triangles are given in order. Okay, in order only they given. No worry about this. Is x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. That's order, and the whose area is at 20. Okay, and find your p values. They asking. So we already know about your formula, right? So I am writing my formula. So first one I will do, second one you will do. So first what they given, let the first one, let the vertices, this is what given, vertices are a 0, 0. If you want to take x, y, z also you wish to take. For my convenient I am taking 2, and whose area of triangle, was 20 square units. That's what they given, right? So second one you will do more. So what's the area of area equal to half, I already told. x1, x2, x3. So y2, y3, y1 minus x2, x3, x1, y1, y2, y3. This is the formula, right? Easy way to write. This is a square unit. Don't forget to write your square unit. And what's the formula? They already given. What's the area? So I can write 1 by 2 part of 0, 0. P 8, 6, 2 equal to what's the area? Area is 20. Okay, my final answer. Find out, then you are getting answer, right? So 20. So this 2 is moving that place. Cross multiplication of this. So in this place I am writing like this. So 0, 2p plus 0 minus 0 plus 48 plus 0 equal to 20. This is in the form of the formula. Okay, so this 2 is moving this place. So what I am having, 2p minus 48 equal to 20 into 2. Are you clear? This 2 is moving this place. And 2p equal to 40. 20 into 2, 40. This 40 is moving that place, plus 48. So 2p is equal to what? Adding this 0 plus 8, 8. 8. So p is equal to 88. This 2 is moving this place too. So p is equal to how much? 44. Are you clear? So what is my 44? By using this, you can find out your next one. Okay. Each of the following, fourth sum, each of the following find value a for the given points are collinear. They get directly given it's a collinear. So collinear means we already know area of the triangle equal to 0, right? So it's equal to 0 means that 1 by 2 is going that side. So I'm getting the answer. So I already did the first sum. It's a very easy. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 0. What's the formula? This 1 by 2 is moving that place. We are getting a 0. So this part is equal to 0. So finally I'm getting a equal to 0. Okay, it's easy to find out. That's why I did that sum. But in the second sum, I will expand that. Okay, how it is possible. So A, B, C or collinear points. Okay. So we are going to find the A value. So my triangle formula. You should write the triangle formula. What's the area of the triangle formula? x1, y2, x2, y3, x3, y1. Okay. If you try this, easy to memorize that. Okay, x2, y1 plus x3, y2 plus x1, y3. This is a formula. Then what they mentioned, collinear. They already mentioned the collinear. So this 1 by 2 is moving this place. So this 1 by 2 is abolished. Okay. So what I am having in this place, I am not doing. So directly we can write x1, y1. So a 2 minus 2a minus a plus 1, 2a minus 4 minus a, 6 minus 2a, and a 2 minus 2a is equal to 0. That's only they are already given. Okay, so now we are going to see this term and this term. A into a, 2a square. It's very difficult to find out, so I am writing step by step. 6 minus 2a minus 4 minus a so minus of, why I am taking this is a little bit difficult to find out, right? So how I am writing, you can understand what will happen in this case. 2a into minus 4 minus a plus a into, this a into 6 minus 2a. This is overall equal to 0 because we know this value equal to, this 1 by 2 is abolished. Okay, is going the plate, that should be vanished. Then this is a 2a square. So I am multiplying this term. What I am getting? this into this minus 6a, this into this minus into minus plus 2a square, and this term into this plus 6, this term plus into minus, obviously minus into plus minus 2a. Okay, this is my answer for this. And minus into plus minus 8, and minus into minus plus 8a, this value minus 2a, minus into minus plus 2a square. This is a full bracket. This overall negative is moving this place now. I can write like that. So otherwise no mass, it's convenient, so no problem. For my convenient, this whole negative is moving this place, equal to 0, right? So equal to, so it's become a positive. So otherwise if you're having a struggle, it's okay, no problem. The subtractions multiply and letters we will move. Minus 2a plus 2, minus into minus plus 2a square, minus into plus minus 2a. Okay, this is for that whole bracket, and this bracket again I'm opening this bracket only for this two, and listen to this minus 8a, this into this minus 2a square, this term into this term plus 6a minus 2a square equal to 0 da. Okay, then so what I am going to do in this place is 2a square minus 6a for my convenient I am rewriting. So this term and this term, whatever two terms I am having, 1, 2, a square terms 3. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6a square. Then how many a terms? Minus a, minus 2a, minus 2a. So how many? 8 minus a. Okay, minus. So minus 6 to 8. 6 this 8 plus this, I'm getting a 10 minus a's. Okay, and the minus is completed. Then plus 8a I am having, plus 8a, and then what are the constant I am having in this place? Minus 2. Okay, then what I am writing? Subtraction of this term. So whatever squares terms, this square and this square cancel, so only minus 2 square, and what are the minus 4, so minus 12a, and we have one more plus 6a and only one constant equal to 0. So 6a square, subtracting this, minus 2a minus 2. So inside bracket I am getting a minus. So negative will change a positive square. So this is what? Subtracting this, minus 6. So 6a minus 2 equal to 0. So find out what I am getting. 8a square. This and this term plus 4a minus 4 equal to 0. Now I can divide it by 4, right? So what I am getting? Divided by 4, 2a square plus a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. first term and last term. So I am going to factorize, right? So multiplying first term and last term minus 2. So what are the value? So obviously 2 ones are only. So last term will be the negative, should be the negative. So middle is a positive. So the greater number is a plus, is a 2. So if you are having a coefficient of a square is some value means divided by that number. Okay, divided by that coefficient number is a 2, right? This is your with the x term. Okay, so you can directly write like this. Don't worry about this. So in this place I cancel this and this. So my denominator is 1. This is also 1. So what I am having a plus 1. Denominator is the a term into a. 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Very clear? If divided by this number, that should be a. If it is cancelled means okay. That I can write a. If it's not cancelled means 2 into that. Lots of time I tell, but once again I am telling like that. The both the term equal to 0. Equal to 0. 2a. So a is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of a equal to minus 1 comma 1 by 2. This will be my answer. So to find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are that. Okay. So quadrilateral means obviously 4. Okay. So what I am having, let the vertices. Let the vertices are. We are going to find out your quadrilateral. Minus 9 comma minus 2. B is a minus 8 comma minus 4 and 2 comma C's. Okay. Find area of the quadrilateral. I plotted my point A in this place, B in this place, C in the first quadrant and D in my last quadrant. Okay, and the same from point A to, how can I draw? A to B. Okay, quadrant means 4 side figure, that's it. B to D 1D. If I go B to C, it will be differ. If A, C and D like this. If A, B, C, D. So A to B, B to C. So it's not coming a quadrilateral, it's wrong. That's why. So A to B, B to D, D to C. Again I completed A to C to E. Okay, this is my quadrilateral figure. Now I can use my formula. We already know that formula, the same process, same procedure for this. So what's the formula? We already know about this. So area of the quadrilateral. So A is equal to what? 1 by 2. So you can write that. Okay. First I am writing my A minus 9 comma minus 2. Okay. Then B 8 comma minus 4. Then D minus 1 comma minus 3. C 2 comma 2. Okay. X1 Y1, X2 Y2, X3 Y3, X4 Y4. Okay, these are the points I am having. So for my convenient I am writing. So 1 by 2, same. After the dot you will write your formula if you are having a confused. So minus 9 minus 2. Then minus 8 minus 4. 1 minus 3. 2 and 2. What's the last? Minus 9 minus 2. Okay. So what we learn about this? Obviously x1 y2, x2 y3, x3 y4, x4 y1, extra 1, that's it, minus x2 y1, x3 y2, x4 y3, x1 y4. So square units. Okay, this is a formula. Okay, we'll write properly. And how can I write? It's an easy way to write, no? That's why I'm doing like this. This and this. Minus into minus plus. 9 4s are 36. Minus into minus plus 24. 2 1s are 2. Plus into minus minus 4. So then subtraction of this term, this into minus plus 16, minus into plus minus 4, minus into plus minus 6, minus into plus 18 square units. You will write your formula, otherwise won't giving the mark. Okay, 1 by 2, adding these numbers, 36. If you want to remove 4, it's okay, later on also you will remove this. 36. So this is a 26. Addition of this is a 26. So 12 balance 1. What 5 6, so 62 minus 4. So subtracting what I am having, so 16. All the terms are minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 minus 18 minus 28 square units. Subtracting 4, what I am getting, 58. So minus of 28 minus 16, 12. Minus 12 because biggest number is a negative, so square units. So 1 by 2, 58 plus 12 units. 1 by 2 into how much? 0. So 70 square units. So cancelling this, so 35 square units. Okay, so you will try for this sum. And the next one, find the value of the same thing, they given the area and vertices. Okay, you are going to find out here. Okay, this is for your homework, this is also your homework. Okay, try this.